Here I'm going to test the Panoramax 1 or Street Garden SGZC12RC to use both power supplies simultaneously, 12 volt from car cigarette lighter and the 5 volt from battery bank, the external battery bank. So I have here two models. The first one here, I have removed the top casing just to show you that this one is just prototype with the built-in GPS module. This is the very first prototype. I think it's over 9 months old now. So, and then I'm gonna test. So this is the Panoramax 1 version, and the other one is Street Garden version with Street Garden firmware. So I have not done this before, so that's why not to risk to blow up or the Street Garden. First I'm gonna test on prototype. Okay, let's put this cover back and first connect the battery, the external battery bank, then camera. Okay, and then 12 volt. I have 12 volt live. Okay. So you can see it's different log on prototype, and it started up. I haven't been using this for a few months, so the capacitor is not charged. It's empty, so that's why it's gonna take some time to recharge capacitors, and it will start recording. The blue LED light here will start blinking when the capacitors are recharged and the unit kicks in to record. So let's wait another few seconds and see then. So yeah, that's my plan. First to test on prototype. Yeah, okay, you can see now start recording. First I'm going to test here to use simultaneously 12 volt and 5 volt, and then on the retail version of Street Garden. So now it's working from 12 volt. Okay, fingers crossed, nothing gonna happen. Okay, the screen timeout was okay. Alright, now I hold it too long. Now the external battery bank is also powered up, and it looks like nothing happening, in the meaning of that there was no accident. I can hear, I can see everything is functioning, the fuse didn't blow, the device works fine. So yeah, anyway, let's power off both of them. Okay, to hold another few seconds. Alright, 6 or 7 seconds I needed to hold the anchor to turn it off. Alright, now the external battery bank is switched off and it's working from 12 volt. I'm gonna disconnect 12 volt. Now I'm gonna power up from external battery bank. Okay, and then power up from 12 volt. So it looks like this way also everything looks fine. So battery bank is live. Okay, the G sensor activated on this unit because the G sensor is on the inside the camera. Anyway, let's stop it. Yeah, it looks like everything's fine with prototype. I'm gonna turn off the battery bank. Okay, now it's turned off and 12 volt as well. Let's move on to the Street Guardian branded version. So the camera, the external battery pack, and 12 volt. 12 volt. And 12 volt. Yeah, it started working. And it's also it's recharging the capacitors and start recording. Alright, the Street Guardian was set to the motion detection from the menu, so that's why I needed to wave hand. And here the Panorama X1 prototype was with normal recording before. So anyway, let's power up the external battery pack. Alright, I hold it too long. And 6-7 seconds. Alright, I think I'm holding too long and its power's off. Okay, now four LEDs here. Yeah, now it's powered up. The 5 volt external battery pack and the 12 volt, and it looks like everything's fine on with the Street Guardian branded so-called Panorama X1. So anyway, let's power off Anchor battery pack. Okay, yeah, now it's powered off. Let's remove 12 volt. And let's try in reverse. First 5 volt. Okay. Start recording, and then 12 volt. Okay. Like this. And it looks like everything's fine. So yeah, initial test shows that it should work if both power sources applied simultaneously, but I haven't tested it for a long time, so it's not recommended to use both of them. I don't know the specifics why to explain, but I wouldn't suggest to use for longer period. But in case you you forget to remove one source before switching off the other source, power source, this just shows that nothing's gonna happen for the short period. But yeah, if those people who want to leave device in parking mode by using 5 volt external battery pack power supply, those who will forget to disconnect 12 volt before switching to the battery pack. Okay, it's something, for some reason it's switched off. Probably it's switched off because it felt that it doesn't need power or something. This I have to check later on. Maybe some kind of anchor protection, if it senses the kickback voltage, or I don't know. But at least a minute ago or 20-30 seconds ago it switched it off. I'm gonna let it run another 1 minute and we'll see if it switches off automatically again. So okay, I'm gonna turn off one more light just to see if there is some protection in anchor. Probably it is. Okay, the display turned off. Okay, yeah, now it's the anchor switched off, as you can see. So probably, I don't know with the other battery packs, external battery banks, how they work, but at least Anchor E4, this is Anchor E4 model 13,000 milliamp, it has some kind of voltage kickback protection or the standby mode, at least with this setup I'm testing here now. So, but I'm not sure how it's gonna react with other makes models of external battery packs. But I do like that at the moment it's 2 times. I already saw the Anchor E4 switches off with this simultaneous power supply setup. Thank you for watching.